Sometimes animals make the weirdest sounds. Here's something you don't hear every day. Hey, goat. We said, hey, goat.
I don't know, dude. What? I don't know. Here, try. Oh my gosh.
I bet you didn't know frogs could sound like this. Or like this. Let's make it a duet. Calling all dogs. Like people, cats get very talkative when they drink. Finally, well, we'll just let this guy tell you. Couldn't have said it better ourselves.